Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Still for helicopters. This time the BO-105 in 1/32nd scale. Apparently it should be an detailed model kit, but I think it is not. You will see more ahead on the description of this great model from Revell company. It's a German company or brand with the KLM version. It is written in German, I think, with the KLM helicopters. This is an original helicopter. I'm not sure if it is a kind of rendering or a real picture. That's a great job. It says this is from original helicopter. Okay, fine. The box measuring 31 centimeters for shipping ideas. 18 centimeters by 4.5 centimeters. You have an idea for shipping purposes. History or descriptions of the helicopter. The versatile BO-105 has been used by KLM for a variety of duties, including the carrying of supplies and personnel to the drilling rigs and blah 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 blah, etc etc etc. Detailed cockpit, 2 pilot figures, nice. It includes 2 pilots, movable main and tail rotors, 2 aerials, KLM decals, not 2 versions, it is only 1. Fine, look at these details of the helicopter. Door handling strictly, that's the decal signs. Revell code 4426. The BO-105 1/32nd scale. More information here in Dutch, English, French, Netherlands, Italian, Espanol. Barcode made in 1983. It contains 63 pieces including the decal sheet. Nothing at the bottom. So let's check the parts, trans-clear ones. The main plastic parts in its already opened clear bags. Let's check the building instructions or the manual. It's so easy. That's the decal sheet, yellowed unfortunately due to the age. It's just one leaf folded in the middle. Some advices, Revell codes by using letters. Let's check the easy steps for this 1/32nd scale. It should be more difficult, but it is not. Cockpit assembling with the 2 pilot figures. Step number 1. Step number 2. The fuselage with the tail boom incorporated, not separately. The windows, the cockpit assembly with the fuselage. Step number 4. The landing skids, stabilizers, the tail rotor with 2 blades, the stabilizers, the vertical fins, twin vertical fins, even with the tail. Assembling the main rotor with 4 blades, the mast, all details for functioning, and the markings for the KLM version. That's so easy. Now detailed a lot of details. You should add some extra details if you want. Let's check this decal sheet. The BHNZ, well, November Zulu Juliet, I think. Yes, November Zulu Juliet. Papa Hotel, sorry, not PH. Papa Hotel. The KLM logo and the signs, the warning signs. That's it. The problem is the varnish is kind of yellowed, so we have to restore it. Okay, let's check the frames. Some pieces are losing, I mean it's out of the frames. I included a display stand by my own because I love display stands. Not sure, this is metallic, it's heavy. This is plastic. Not sure. Oh, the trademark, it is made in China, but the helicopter is made in the European zones. That's the display stand, perfect for the size of the helicopter. Yes, nice. Look at this big fuselage. Sorry. Nice plastic. The inner part is without nothing. No textures. No big deal inside. Well, the figures, the 2 pilots with the head hair. These parts for the ears. The buckets or the walls, interior walls, doors. Second frame, another fuselage, the left half, the skids, the landing skids, the floor, cockpit floor, the seats. The surface is completely smooth, no rivets, just a little, some panel lines in the raised panel lines. The seats for pilot seats, and the transclear frame with the main windscreen, which is so polished and great. It should be this way, so clear, and the windows for the doors, etc. Look, that's so nice. Main windows. Well, I think it is a quick review of this fantastic model from the Revell company from the 80s. That's so vintage. Thank you very much for watching this video, and let's go on to the next one. Bye bye.